Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to write a check. You will need a pen and your checkbook. So I'm going to show you how to write a check. One of the first things you want to do is put the date. So we're going to put today's date up there. The next thing you want to do is put who you're paying this check to. So let's say the check is going to Big Money. And the amount we're going to pay to Big Money will be here. So we're going to say $130.53. We're going to pay Big Money $130.53. Now the next thing we're going to do is write it on this line. So 130, and for the change we're going to put it in a fraction form. So 53 over $100. And the next thing we're going to do is put the memo or the reason for us writing this check to them. So we can put memo here. An example of a memo would be like to pay my bill, or just to pay my bill. Any type of memo, any reason for you writing this check to them. And the very last thing you're gonna do is put your signature here. So you're gonna put your John Hancock there. And then on the back of the check, you're gonna put your signature here. Basically validates the check. That's how you write a check.